Hello friends, today you will join me as I harvest veggies from my 4 raised beds, uncover surprising yields from my pepper plants, and even create a beautiful flower arrangement. If you have been following my journey, you know how much work goes into these raised beds. If you missed my last detailed fall garden tour, check it out to see what I am growing in all 4 raised beds. Let's start with this bed. I have been harvesting peas from this bed for a few weeks now. I love to snip off big fat pea pods. Many of them don't even make into the basket. I love snacking on them while I'm in the garden. They are so delicious. Here I have cilantro flourishing beautifully. When harvesting cilantro, I like to snip off the outer leaves first. This method encourages more new leaves to sprout from the middle, and this way producing more leaves from each plant. Moving on to the kale. Look at these leaves. Kale is known for its nutrient density, making it a staple in my green juices and smoothies. Harvesting a few leaves at a time helps keep the plant productive throughout the season. Just make sure to avoid cutting the central stem so new leaves can keep sprouting from the periphery. This bed is brimming with greens, but today I only need Swiss chard. Notice the holes and the damage on the leaves? That's the courtesy of some pesky garden insects. While it's not ideal, it's all part of natural gardening. Damaged leaves can still be salvaged by trimming around the affected areas. Now comes the part you have been waiting for. It's all about the peppers. I'm thrilled to have 4 different varieties thriving here, each with its own unique burst of flavor. These bushy plants have worked overtime and their reward is on full display. The first pepper is jalapeno. I have been growing jalapeno for years now, but never have the size this big. Look at this. They are huge, perfect for any stuffing recipe. The second one is Indian finger hot type pepper. I don't know the name of this, but they are about 11-inch long and they are very spicy too. The third one is my most beloved Dwala pepper. I have already harvested about 3 pounds of peppers from this one plant, and as you can see, it's still covered with flowers and small little chilies. In my next video, I'll be revealing secrets to making your pepper plants produce 10 times more peppers. Trust me, it's worth watching. So if you haven't already, please subscribe so you get notified when I upload my new videos. This last pepper is the one I'm growing for the first time. It's called hot bhaji. It's an Indian variety that is supposed to be stuffed with different kind of stuffing and then dipped into batter and then deep fried to make hot bhaji. And look at the size of this. They are longer than my hand. Can't believe them. With the pepper plants, I have a gorgeous purple eggplant growing. This variety is called Ratna. The plant itself is compact, resilient, and keeps on producing shiny little eggplants that are great in stir fries and for stuffing recipes. Before we wrap up, let's take a moment to appreciate the beauty beyond the veggies. Here I'm cutting some marigolds, dahlia, and few roses that I planted in the spring. If you want to see details on which of the 12 Costco Roses I got in the spring and how they are doing, please let me know in the comment below, and I'll make sure to make a video on them. Thanks for joining me in today's wonderful fall harvest. If you are curious about maximizing pepper yields or want to learn more about caring for your fall garden, don't miss my upcoming videos. Check out my detailed raised garden beds tour from last week as well. Until next time, happy gardening!